So welcome for today's class of mathematics. Today's question is taken from class 7 mathematics, that is word problem from fraction and decimals chapter it is. So this question says is based on word problem. It says that Sonali had rupees 35 is 3 upon 5. She got 16 1 upon 5 from her mother and she spent 28 rupees 28 instead 2 upon 3 on food. So how much money is left with her? So basically what we are going to deal with this problem, how we are going to deal with this problem, let us see. She already had this many rupees, okay, and she got from her mother this rupees, okay, 16 is to 1 upon 5. So basically we are going to add this first and then subtract this term with whatever we are going to get from this, and then we can say this many money left. So let us see what we are going to get. So first write down that Sonali had rupees 35 is to 3 upon 5. Okay, so which is equal to, what I can say is, this is in mixed fraction, so make it as improper fraction. 5 35s are, you will get 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15, 16, 17. So 175 plus 3 is going to give you 178. So 178 upon 5. So what I have done, this is quotient remainder upon dividend. So D you all have to multiply with Q plus R upon D. Okay, so this is what I have done. I have multiplied this D with 35. So I got 175 plus remainder here is 3. So 138 upon 5. I have to keep it as it is. So I have applied this rule for this one. Okay, have you all understood this part? Next is she got. Okay, now she got rupees. Now how much she got? She got rupees. So basically she got rupees 16 is to 1 upon 5 from her mother, this many rupees. So this is a mixed fraction, so make it as improper fraction. So 5 16s I will get 240 plus 1 will give you 241 upon 15. 241 upon 15. So basically this is 15 in the question, right? What it is, she got 16 is to 1 upon 15 from her mother. So it is 241 upon 16. We are bringing it in proper fraction. That rule only we applied. Like how we applied it here, that only. So now total rupees means we have to add both this. Okay. So write down total rupees is equal to 178 upon 5 plus 241 upon 15. So basically I have added these two. Total 178 upon 5. This is what she already had and this is what she got from her mother. Okay. Next is, now this is she spent rupees 28 instead 2 upon 3. This is the money she spent. Okay, for food. So which is equal to, now 328s are 3, you all have to multiply with 28. You will definitely going to get 84 plus 2 will give you 86. So 86 upon 3. Same that rule only you all have to apply, quotient remainder upon denominator. Now money left with her. Now the money left with her is equal to, first the money she already had. Okay, this is what she already had, money, and what she got. So total, this total. Okay, from her mother, whatever she got, and then subtract it with the money she spent. Okay, so now there 178 upon 5 plus 241 upon 15 minus 86 upon 3. Now remove the LCM of, take the LCM of the denominator. You will get LCM to be 15. How it is? Now this will go in the table of 3, right? 5, keep it as it is. 5 3 5 3 5s are 15 and 3. So basically 5 1s are 5 1s are, and here it is. This is what we get, and this will be 1 as it is. So basically LCM is how we take the LCM. 3 5s are 15, right? So denominator should be 15. So here it is. So if you take the LCM is 15, right? So 178 upon 5, multiply this both numerator and denominator with 3, so that denominator should be 15. 241 upon 15 you will have to multiply by 1, so that denominator should be 15. Then 86 upon 3 you have to multiply with 5, so the denominator is 15. Now 178 multiplied by 3. If you multiply this 178 multiplied by 3, what answer you are going to get? 534 upon 15, because here 5 3s are 15. Then 241 multiplied by 1 will be 241 upon 15. Minus is there here. 86 multiplied by 5 you will have to do. You will have to multiply 86 with 5, so you will get 430 upon 15. Here 15. 3 5s are 15. So next 534 plus 241 minus 430, write it as it is. This 15 is common for all, so write down. Add these numbers. 534 plus 241, okay, minus, then minus with 430. So first what you are going to do is subtract, add this 543, next is 241. So add this 241. So what answer you are going to get? 487. Now 784 you will have to subtract with 430. So 4 minus 0 will be 4. Then 8 minus 3 is going to give you, so 8 minus 3 is going to give you 5, and then 7 minus 4 is going to give you 3. So 354. This is 534, okay, 534. Yeah, now add this correct. Now I have corrected this. 4 5 6 7 5 6 7. So 775 it is. So 775 you all have to subtract this. 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 3 is going to give you 4, and last thing is going to give you 3. 7 minus 4 will be 3. So 345. So are we getting 345? Yes, upon 15. Now cancel this term. How we are going to cancel? 345 upon 15. This is the rough column, okay. Now 345 upon 15. 5 3s are 15. 5 6 are 30. Then carry 4. 5 9s are, it will be. Then 3 1s are, 3 3s are, 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. So your answer is 23. This is how you get 23 to be your answer after cancelling this part. Next is therefore rupees 23 money is left with her. So what money she had plus what she got from her mother, minus that you will have to add. She already had the money and what mother gave, that you will have to add, and then subtract with how many money she spent, and then that is, if you subtract it you will get the answer. That is 23 money is left with her. Rupees 23. So I hope you have understood how to solve this word problem. Very easy it is, and if you have any doubts, queries, you can comment below, and thanks for watching. If any doubt.